Hey, what's up, Shiba holder? So this is very urgent update, my friends, because Shiba is moving unbelievable fast, my friend. Viral coin in the global market, this time in the crypto market. You can see here plus 244% take a jump in the last days, my friend, and the previous days. But definitely this is one of the unique mega record, my friend, in the crypto market this time. But definitely, my friend, the current conditions is going very bad, my friend, from Shiba, because this is very urgent update. I told you, my friend, so this is very urgent video, my friend. Therefore I told you, my friends, that the current condition has gone very bad. So I just make this video for my all holder. To holders cannot do a very big mistake, they cannot starting selling. So definitely I guide you, my friend, my subscriber, my viewer. So if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. I hope you cannot lose if you subscribe my channel. Okay, so come to the point, my friend. If you can see here, this time the latest update, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen. The last 1 hour change occur is a negative, but definitely in the previous day they jumped 244% change occur. So definitely unbelievable change. But why they fails down, and this time what we do, my friend, what's the prediction to upcoming days they moving up or they fails down? Why I tell you, my friend, to subscribe this channel. Therefore you cannot do a mistake, my friend. Minus 5.12% they fails down, and the price is also very badly fails down. Plus 0.0007 US dollar as the latest price, my friend, and they fails down, my friend. You can see here they completely fails down. The chart is completely fails down. You can see here the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, but after this fails they also take a jump. So definitely the good time is coming soon, my friend. So don't please don't sell it. Okay, if we check out, my friend, the last 24-hour chart, then absolutely, my friend, we understand to they take a jump, and upcoming days they're moving up or they fails down. Definitely, my friend, when they take a this type jump, then absolutely, my friend, I told you, my friends, so they make you a millionaire. You can see here this is unbelievable jump, my friend, in a crypto market. When they take, absolutely, my friend, the first week every cryptocurrency fails down, but Shiba in the second week they're moving up like a rocket. So definitely unbelievable moving up, my friend. This is unbelievable jump. 211% they moving up. Crushful jump, mind-blowing jump, my friend. All holders, be alert today. If they're moving up, if they're moving up like this, then they make you millionaire. They absolutely hit $1 US at the second at the end of this month, my friend. If they take a this type jump, but if they cannot take a this type jump, then I cannot tell you, my friend, they can hit $1 US. But if they can they're moving like this, then absolutely they can hit $1 US. So all holders, be alert. Please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friend, in upcoming days they also take a this type jump, then absolutely they make you millionaire. So thanks for watching, keep touch with us. I guarantee you, my friends, so you cannot lose if you touch with me. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and don't sell it. Remember, don't sell it. Allah Hafiz, take care.